Hey, Jay Marshall here. Today we're going to talk about Kami. Kami is an app that allows you to annotate PDFs, and your students can use it too. If you go up here, up at the top, I'm in Google Chrome and I'm logged into my Newport Mesa Google account. So I have the staff bookmarks. If I click that and I go to the very bottom, you'll see that we already have Kami. It's in our G Suite. If I scroll down, it's right here. It's the app, the Kami app. It's right next to this cute little gopher. Look at that. Such a cute little logo. So if I click on the Kami, it's going to open up the Kami app. Now, if you plan on using Kami when creating assignments in Google Classroom or Schoology, you should install the extension as well. The extension. They work in cahoots together. So if I look up here at this question mark, the help menu, if I click it, there's an orange dot and it's telling me install Kami extension. Well, okay, sure, I'll do it. So if I click on install Kami extension at the bottom, it takes me to the Chrome Web Store and I see, holy cow, 8,482 people gave it all these stars. It's amazing. Look at all those users. It must be good. I can't not install it. So I'm going to add to Chrome and add extension. Now, in a moment, you will see the K. There it is, the circle with a K in it. And if I click this, it goes away. Now, these right up in here in the Chrome browser, these are where the extensions are hanging out. The puzzle piece allows me to see all of the extensions that I have installed. You'll see I have a bunch, but only 2 of them are pinned to stick out the whole time. Screencastify, which is what I'm using to make this video, and Google Keep, which is one of my favorites. That's where I keep a bunch of notes and things that I have to often copy and paste into other documents. It's great. It's a good one. The Kami extension, I want to pin that too because I like to see it there. It gives me comfort. That's right. K for comfort. Now, if I look over to the side of Kami, these 3 dots, that's my more actions. If I click that, that allows you to go into options. Please click options and go through and you will see, on mine at least, that I've set up my profile already. I've gone through and I've made a couple of changes to settings. I like it to automatically save my changes. When I'm in Kami, I like it to automatically save to Google Drive. I don't like to always have everything open in Kami. Sometimes when I'm viewing PDFs and I'm not going to mess with them in Kami, I don't necessarily want it to open in Kami all the time. So I took that check away. And you can see some of my other settings. I don't want a newsletter bugging me. You can install to Google Drive as well, and you can follow the directions there. It is a lovely extension, and that is how you install it, and I hope you have a great day.